Running a service business requires juggling multiple responsibilities, from scheduling jobs and dispatching technicians to invoicing customers and tracking expenses. Without an efficient system, businesses often face delays, miscommunication, and administrative overload, which can impact customer satisfaction and profitability. FieldPulse is a comprehensive service business management software designed to streamline operations, improve team collaboration, and enhance overall efficiency. FieldPulse provides a cloud-based solution that enables businesses in HVAC, plumbing, electrical, contracting, and other service industries to automate scheduling, track job progress, manage customer relationships, and generate invoices, all from a single platform. With both a desktop and mobile app, FieldPulse ensures that business owners, managers, and field technicians stay connected and productive no matter where they are. In this video, we will explore its key features and benefits, showing how it can help service businesses optimize their operations and deliver exceptional customer service. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the job scheduling and dispatching. FieldPulse makes scheduling and dispatching simple with an intuitive drag and drop calendar that allows managers to assign jobs to technicians based on availability, location, and skill set. Automated notifications ensure that technicians receive job details instantly. This reduces scheduling conflicts, improves efficiency, and ensures timely job completion. Businesses can handle more jobs without increasing administrative workload. Another key feature is the mobile workforce management. With Field Pulse's mobile app, field technicians can access their schedules, update job statuses, capture customer signatures, and add notes all in real time. This eliminates paperwork and enhances communication between office staff and field teams. This keeps field technicians organized, reduces miscommunication, and ensures that job updates are immediately reflected in the system for better coordination. Another key feature is their customer relationship management or CRM. Managing customer information is crucial for building long term relationships. FieldPulse's built-in CRM allows businesses to store customer details, job history, and communication records in one place, making it easy to track interactions and follow up with clients. This enhances customer satisfaction by ensuring personalized service, quick response times, and efficient record keeping for future reference. Another key feature is its estimates, invoicing, and payments. FieldPulse simplifies the billing process with automated estimates, invoicing, and digital payment collection. Businesses can generate and send professional invoices directly from the app and accept payments online or on site. This speeds up cash flow, reduces billing errors, and eliminates delays in payment collection by providing customers with convenient payment options. Another key feature is the time tracking and payroll management. Technicians can log their working hours using the Field Pulse time tracking feature, ensuring accurate payroll calculations. This feature also helps managers monitor labor costs and optimize workforce productivity. This reduces payroll discrepancies, ensures fair compensation, and helps business owners track labor expenses effectively. So, why is Field Pulse a great choice? Field Pulse stands out as a versatile and user friendly service management solution that caters to small and medium sized businesses. Unlike outdated systems that rely on manual scheduling and invoicing, FieldPulse automates these tasks, allowing business owners to focus on growth and customer service. One of FieldPulse's strongest features is its mobile accessibility, which ensures that field technicians stay connected with managers and customers at all times. The platform's job scheduling, invoicing, and CRM tools work seamlessly together to create an end to end service management experience. With real time updates, automated job assignments, and instant invoicing, businesses can improve efficiency and reduce administrative bottlenecks. So, what makes Field Pulse particularly appealing is its ease of use. Unlike complex enterprise software that requires extensive training, FieldPulse offers an intuitive interface that allows business owners and field teams to get up and running quickly. Its scalability ensures that businesses can start with essential features and expand as needed, making it an ideal solution for companies looking to grow without unnecessary complexity. So, by providing a powerful all in one service management solution, FieldPulse enables businesses to streamline their operations, improve customer satisfaction, and increase revenue, all while reducing administrative workload. So basically, FieldPulse is a comprehensive and efficient service business management platform that simplifies job scheduling, team coordination, invoicing, and customer management. With its user friendly interface, mobile app, and automation features, it helps businesses optimize daily operations, enhance productivity, and improve customer experiences. So, whether you run a small contracting business or a growing service company, FieldPulse provides the tools you need to manage jobs, streamline workflows, and maintain financial control. So, if you're looking for a modern and scalable and easy to use solution to run your service business efficiently, FieldPulse is the perfect choice. So start using FieldPulse today and take your service business to the next level. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.